These are the coldest cars ever.
68.
Yeah.
1968.
Mom, the car, it's a Viper.
I told your dad it was a Viper. I mean, I know a little bit about cars. I mean, only because I seen the snake on the front of it. Or the other one.
Bro, this hill is big. I like her.
That's a Mustang. An old school Mustang. Look at the top of it.
I would like to have that in my garage too.
No, it's pretty. It's all right. Where did Harold say he was at?
He said he had home going to sleep.
Oh, shit. So how you gonna ask us if we coming down here? He ain't coming.
I told him I was trying to take Devontae out here.
Oh, he wanted to make sure we didn't miss it for him. Bronco.
Yeah.
Come on this way, Darren.
It has, oh my god. There's a Cookie Monster on that.
On what?
On the car back there.
Oh, yeah. Come over this way, boys.
Oh, there's more and more cars. That's cool.
Yeah, it's a lot more than last
Yeah,
year.
we're going over here now.
Oh, that's nice. I can get a Bronco.
It's
So what?
Oh, I know it was a newer year because this just came back out. A Bronco.
a 2023.
Yeah, I gotta get another one of those.
Yeah.
Can I get one?
Yeah.
Oh, I could get one of these, huh?
Mom, look at that one.
Yeah, that is our old house way. Yeah, that's a cargo. They
Yeah.
ride people around, I guess. Yeah, I like that. What we used to do when we see one riding down the street, we go slug buck. Look at the Scooby-Doo van.
Yeah.
It's an RT.
Should have brought Scooby-Doo out here. That'd be cool.
We should have brought King 3. That's Pinky.
So this one raises up, Devontae.
That one I know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because they can get it on the truck without it to be raised up. That one does too.
Yep. They raise it up to drive it. No, in the car they push a button and it raises up.
Oh. It's a nice truck.
That one does too. Yeah, that's what I said. And
See it right here. The way it jacks itself up.
oh yeah, I see it now.
I see the button where they flip it.
Yeah.
Raise it up.
Yeah, that's nice. That's neat. I think this one might be the same thing. Yeah.
It's a wide body. It's a wide body.
Yeah, bless that.
It's a wide body.
Yeah, I could jump up out of that.
Look, I can ride in that.
It has,
Yeah,
That's diesel.
I could jump up out of
I
it.
said, yeah, she'll like
it has
that.
6 wheels.
Yeah, I could jump up out of it for
She'll
sure.
like that.
Good morning. It is like 7 o'clock. Just got making me a cup of coffee. Just put the boys on the bus. Just got back down to the house. It's been a morning already. Like my allergies are acting up. But I wanted to come on with you. So this weekend would have been like the last full weekend that I have been able. That I've been able to actually finish some products like for the full weekend. My show is this Saturday, So I have all this week to do a few things here and there. It's probably not going to be much because I have to work every day of the week, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, this week, Wednesday, I have a meeting, and we usually don't get out of it until, I usually don't get back home until like 6 from the meeting, because they have us do the meeting the last 2 hours of our day, and then head home, but it's like maybe a half an hour from here. But I wanted to come on and do a quick rundown. Now, it hasn't been much because I've been trying to get everything priced and prepared and tagged and counted for. If you hear the clogginess in my nose, my allergies are acting a fool, so I've been sneezing and coughing and all that good stuff. So, but I wanted to do this video. Also, at the beginning of the video or in the video or somewhere in the video, I'm gonna put, we went down to the car show. I didn't record much, but it may be here in this video somewhere too. Okay, so what I made this week, like I said, it's not been much, but I've been pricing and tagging stuff. So first thing is this little alien in the UFO. My ears are popping. My allergies are very active. So alien and UFO, I only made one of these. I may make another one if I can, but the alien, so him. And then I made a booty bear. I don't like the way the nose turned out because I didn't feel like going upstairs and grabbing my white velvet yarn, but this is the booty bear, and it's because him got a little booty, or she got a little booty, so it's the booty bear. So as you see, the blue little tags, that's what I have my prices on. And then I have the heart friend that I made. All of these were fairly easy to make. I think the booty bear took the longest because you have to do the ears, the muzzle, and the eyes, and the arms separate. Everything else from the foot to the head is one piece, and then you just have to sew the other 5 pieces on. So it's pretty much, it's low sew, but I like it. It's so cute. I wish I would have had time to make more of these. I probably could have, but I'm trying to get some smaller things done. So then I have a sprinkle wheel. So then you see his little eyes, his fins, his little tail. I did the bottom, the pink color to match. So this is the sprinkle wheel. I may try to get another 1 or 2 done of this. I don't know. Okay, so now the next thing is all of my keychains. I made so many keychains. So that was my thing. Like this week, I think I'm just gonna focus on making different keychains. So I made the Pop-Tarts. So we got a strawberry Pop-Tart, we got a grape Pop-Tart, and then we got a sprinkle Pop-Tart. So that's what I'm working on. I have another white base, another red base, and I think another purple one, but I'm gonna make some more Pop-Tarts. And then I made Pokeballs. Pokeballs into keychains. And then I made I got more Pokeballs too. Another Pokeball. Then I made mushrooms. into keychains. So there is 4 mushrooms into keychains. And then I made trying to make sure I get all of it together. So sunflowers into keychains. I made 1 strawberry because I don't like the way it turned out, so I only made 1. And then I had a lot of little octos in there that I had made, and I was going to just do them as pocket pets, but I just went ahead and turned them into keychains. And it's I have a lot of them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of the octos. And then I have the one little lonely bear. So that's all what I have. Pretty much all of what I made for this weekend. The octos were already made. I just added the keychains. Everything else I made. So, and then I just have all my keychains in a bag. My display stand for my keychains should be here today. So those will be displayed on a keychain rack. And then my other items I ended up getting the 4-tier, 2, 3, 4-tier stand, and it came with 4 of them. So I don't know if I'm gonna put 1 displayed and other items in the back, so as they sell, move it forward, or if I'm gonna just display what I can and then refill as it empties out. So that is, I hope I think this one is still on. That's what I'm doing. It's just acrylic stand. I have 4 of them, and then I have a pegboard keychain stand coming today. No, coming, what's today? It should be here tomorrow. Hopefully it comes at least by Friday, and they don't because you know Amazon be tripping sometimes. So hopefully it comes by Friday, and I can have it. If it don't come by Friday, then I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna display my keychains. So, and then all of my items here, it looks a hot mess, but all of this here is stuff that I have to take. All of this here is yarn. This is stuff that I have to take. There is a bin here that I may take. Sure yet. I have to see if I'm gonna take that or not. But yeah, that's all of my stuff displayed. I printed out forms for order forms just in case there's something there, and someone wants it in a different color, so I'll do custom orders if it's paid in advance at the show. And then I'll ship it off. But so that is Denaje, what I'm up to. I am so out of breath. Oh my gosh. Get y'all situated. I'm so out of breath. I can't breathe. My allergies are acting a fool. I want to take the day off, but I don't. Because I don't want to be short on my paycheck, because I'm not sure if my vacation time if I have a PTO. I'm just tired, so let me get to working on the other. Oh, I need to go downstairs to see if I have any more brown, because this is what I ended up with. My dog got a host to it, and it's all tangled. And I need more brown to finish the rounds of my cupcake, of my Pop-Tarts. So I have the 2 bases done. So I'm going to do that. And then I have red, purple, and black up there. I'm trying to think of what other cupcakes there is. I mean, I keep saying cupcake, Pop-Tarts they are, but I am going to just make what I can make. I got black and white speckled down there, so I'm gonna make a cookies and cream one. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in a little while. Um, yeah.